Sam. Hi, Bailey. Whoa, Clark. Clarky. What you doing? Oh, Clark. What are you looking at outside? Clark. Okay. Bailey. Hi. Make a silly face. Wow. Sam, make a silly face. Make a monkey face. Good job. Bailey, can you make a fishy face? Good, Sam. What are we learning about today, guys? Animals. Clark. Hi. Hi. All right. Well, I've had a fun day with you guys today.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.